Jaipur Engineering College and Research Centre, JECRC University, is one of the most preferred higher educational institution in the state of Rajasthan, and which is known for its commitment to high quality, industry-oriented academic delivery along with cultural and social enrichment of its students. JECRC offers distance BBA program which is UGC and DEB approved and recognized. Bachelor's of Business Administration, that is BBA, is an interdisciplinary 3 years graduate degree program offered by JECRC, which is India's top ranked university in distance education. The degree is specially designed to give a vast knowledge of the functional aspects of any organization. As a result, the degree almost develops the student's managerial and communication skills decision-making capability. BBA can be gained by anyone who has passed their 12th from a recognized educational board or institute. JECRC, its unique LMS features, well, the students are able to attend a live online classrooms and interact with expert faculty through recorded and live lectures. The LMS also contains the digital library, discussion forum, connect with mentor, that is, students can interact with tutors via online chat sessions. There would be a self-learning material. Comprehensive self-learning material is specially prepared by academic department with the distance learning methodology in mind. The program features we're gonna add, like it because of its flexibility, networking. Students who enroll in online management get a wider range of networking opportunities. Instead of being limited to local networking, distance learning gives students a platform to interact with a more diverse range of people all over the world. The proper scheduling, that is, the schedule for distance learning programs are more flexible, allowing students to take classes according to their own convenience. There would be a flexible years of completion, acquire skills for corporate world. There would be a low cost and definitely study while you earn. The total program fee structure would be, it is 11,000 per semester, and as you know there are total 6 semesters which is split into 3 years. Distance BBA comes with a specialized curriculum developed in collaboration with global industry experts. So it offers students a core of mandatory courses in general business law, finance, managerial economics, business statistics, accounting, and many more. The curriculum is subject to revision as per UGC guidelines from time to time and as per industry updates. Students are having a major opportunity for jobs being newly created in the management profession. BBA graduates have a number of opportunities to excel in various organizations. They can go for educational institutes, banking, export companies, media houses, trading marketing organization, and wherein they can pick up the roles like entrepreneurship, tourism management, supply chain management, finance and accounting management, and much more. Why should take admission in JECRC? Well, because of its contemporary teaching delivery style with the combination of printed self-learning material, online classroom learning, e-learning, e-mentoring, and faculty interaction. We also do have online chat support for interaction with faculty and doubt clearing session. There would be a tie-up with leading corporates to provide students an opportunity for placement. Known for its strong research culture, close industry linkages, and corporate connects, over 100 plus faculties comprising of highly sought after academicians and industry experts to ensure that students learn from the best. There are a lot of big companies are looking forward to hire the graduates from JECRC because of its unique design program with a conceptual foundation and appropriate understanding of real-world application. And our students has been placed in some of the top companies and really doing great for themselves. So if you wish to be part of this most demanding program and want to accelerate your career, so simply log in to find more details on www.judde.in or simply call us on the mentioned number and we will be delighted to counsel and guide you towards your chosen program. Apply now.